Hello internet friends. In this video there are two epic fails. Are they epic fails though, or are they learning experiences? As you can see, I have started the water test and it has failed. Two little tiny pinholes where the flanges are did not get sealed. So I got this battery operated pump from Harbor Freight because once you fill this thing with water, it gets pretty heavy, and then you kind of don't want to pick it up and drop it. So, definitely recommend the Harbor Freight pump. And then, and I'm also glad someone recommended that I do the water test because it was pretty obvious once the water was inside where some critical leaks were. I don't know why I didn't notice that before, but there's a couple methods I would recommend now. One could be a light test, right? If you stick a flashlight in there, that would definitely help. And I found a small magnetic light. I don't know if it was at Home Depot or Lowe's. This thing, I found a picture of it, but I got it at Home Depot, and I think it was in the little doodads section during Christmas, and I was like, ooh, I know exactly what I'm going to use that for when I need to go inside a wing or tank. And actually it's been pretty good, so I should have picked up more of them. If I see them again, I will pick up more of them, but for now one is sufficient. And it's magnetic enough that I can use a fishing magnet on the other side and it will stay in place, or the other side of the skin, right? Tanks are made out of aluminum. Aluminum is not magnetic, well, at least not with this weak of a magnet. I'm not a magneticist. I don't pretend to be. I don't know how much magnet you need to pick up aluminum. Probably a Earth-sized magnet. Anyway, that's not required for a plane. Oh, and then the other epic fail, now that you see me drilling out this fuel cap, is that somehow I got the orientation wrong when I installed this fuel cap. So that's aggravating because that means I have to uninstall it, scrape all of the fuel sealant off, and then reinstall it. And that's always precarious because drilling out rivets is like an art, and I'm not a rivet artist. Sorry, I was trying to make a word, but I managed to do it. So by the end of the video, the fuel cap will be in the right orientation. I went back and looked at YouTube. It looks like it's been a month since I've been able to publish a video. Let's see. Work and travel and all that seems to always get in the way. And of course, I want these fuel tanks to be done because the hard part of doing the fuel tanks is that working with the sealant means I need to allocate at least 3 hours of time. It's a lot easier to work on the plane when you can come out and be like, I have 1 hour, I'll go work on the plane for an hour. And if I get interrupted, oh well. But with the sealant, it's, well, I need at least 3 hours to be uninterrupted because once I mix that sealant, I have to use it. I will admit, though, that no sealant was mixed in this video. Okay, so my plan is once I get this all cleaned up and make sure that I get the cap in the right orientation, which it's not perfectly round. There's like little connectors, ledges that the fuel cap sit on underneath there that you push the lever down and it sucks up to seal with the O-ring. Like, I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. I need to point the opener, lever, fuel cap lever, sure, let's call it that, to point in the right direction. Otherwise, I will not forgive myself. So now I've got it in the right direction. All I gotta do is seal it back in. And if you want to talk about fuel cap directions, come join our chat groups. If you scan these QR codes, most notably Slack, because no one's in the Discord one. Everyone's in the Discord one, but we don't talk there. So that's how that works. just scan it and we'll see you there. And see you in the next video.